This is the first player Rainbow R6-A, a mid-sized gaming PC case. Want to see what's inside the box? And how good will it be to build in? Let's find out! Hi everyone, welcome to IoT Ixis on Tech. I am Ixis. Thank you very much for joining me today. On today's episode, we have this, the first player R6-A Rainbow Gaming Case. I bet you think, well, Ixis, you've already got like a gaming case and it's got like loads of fans in it and it's made out of glass and plastic and metal, etc. You'd be right, it's right behind this one actually. Why have I got one of these? Well, because I've been asked by a friend in work to build him a PC for his son for Christmas. This is going to be Kylan's PC. This is part one of a 2-build episode. So today I'm going to be unboxing this gaming case, see what you get in there, what sort of specs it is, what sort of space you have, and yeah, where are those scissors? So this I bought off eBuyer here in the UK, so ebuy.co.uk. No, it's not. It's ebuy.com actually. So I'm scouring the interwebs. Now, this is going to be a budget build, okay? So it's going to be a good one though. Seems quite tall, doesn't it? Yeah. Seems well packaged with lots of the foam. Oh, that's the front. Right, okay. So which way is up and down? Hopefully this is the right way. No, it's upside down. Well padded, fair play, lots of foam on it. Yep, that is the top. So this, as I said, was off ebuy.com. It's got a glass side panel, an RGB rear fan, an RGB stripped on the front, and it's got an extra 3 fans on the inside with a PSU basement. And this cost me less than £29, which is brilliant. I checked on the price today. And it's £31 something. Yeah, I'm still here. Nice and light. There we go. A nice black monolith, should we say. RGB stripped on the front. Yes, it has USB 3. Yeah, one USB 3, 2 USB 2s, headphone, microphone, power button, RGB, well, there's the RGB button, and of course a reset button as well. Ah, very nice. Tempered glass side panel as well. Very nice. There's the rear of the case. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 expansion bays. By the looks of it, they pop out, yeah. Basement for your PSU, and of course your motherboard I/O go there. The fan on the back. Nice chrome effect feet. And yes, it has got dust cover on the bottom, which looks like it's made out of metal. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's take off the front side panel, Let's take off the side panel. So this is tempered glass. It's got sticky plastic on it, protection film on it already. So it's got a 120mm ring fan on the back. I don't know if you can see in there, but it's got 3 pre-installed black fans as well. Very impressive for the price. A solid basement, standoffs already in place, 6 of them. And you've got 2 holes in the bottom to bring up your graphics card power, for example, if you're going to put a graphics card in this. And of course for your front I/O or your power reset hard drive lights, for example, go in that slot by there. It's got 1, 2, I would say 2 bays for SSDs going down the front and the side. Let's take off the back panel. So easy to do. 2 little thumb screws on there. Got a nice little finger pull by there. Slide it off. Ooh, very interesting. This is a very light case. Not much flex to it. Top filter. Oh, it's magnetic. Nice. Oh, flat cables. That's good. For your hard drive, your HD audio, USB, and of course USB 3. So all these fans, well, there we go. So they're Molex connectors. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the fan then at the back. Okay, so it's only got one. It's only got one connector, so it's not going to be PW. It's not PWM, so it's not speed controllable, and you can't control the RGBs on the fan either. So how does the front strip work then? I'll keep that in there for cable management. Just get a little bag of screws. What do we get in there? Not many. A couple of standoffs. Actually, a couple of standoffs in there. Nothing for your power supply. Oh, I've only got one little bay for a hard drive. How are you supposed to get that on there? Ah, it's removable. So pull it forward or push it back. Which one is it? It does look as though it will. Looks like they've bent those down though. Okay, let's put you on your side. Ah, there's screws underneath. So you can undo those two screws. You can actually take the hard drive bay out because it's got space on top for you to screw an SSD or a hard drive on top of it. And they've got a sliding panel on the inside for you to put a hard drive in and then screw it on the sides. That's very, very good. I'm looking forward to building in this. Right, I'm gonna go grab a power supply and then we'll see how all this works. Right, so I got myself a pin. I need to short the green and a black wire on the 24 pin from the power supply in order to get the LED strip to turn on, and also the fan on the back. Actually, let's plug that one back in. So I have to unplug the green and that poop. Like I got another pin. So a green and a black one it's saying. So we'll go with that one. And then we'll go with that one. Ooh, ah. Keeps going off. Wow, that's nice. What does this LED button do then? Ooh, Knight Rider-ish. Hey, this is good. Oh. Yeah. It's going down. Red going up. The green yellow. It's obviously a color change. It's a static red, green, well, some nice blue, very nice. Purple. Hey, very nice. What does the fan look like on the back then? Well, let me try and turn this around. It's fading very fast, isn't it? Yeah, these fans, yeah, they're pulling more up from the front than anything. All right, I need to do something better with that. Back in a minute. Okay, so I managed to find something to put into the power supply by there. you want to try this yourself, you need to connect the green cable to any of the black cables as in the 24-pin main board connector, and voila. So the fan at the front, they don't seem to be putting that much air into, to be honest, but the bottom one does, because it's, I don't know if you can see, but there's a gap at the bottom for it to suck air in. Usual place by there. Yeah, you can feel the air being sucked in up there, up its nose, should we say. The rear fan, tell you what, it does look funky. Yeah. How much noise coming from it? I would say try and put on the back panel, but I've got all the cables dangling out, haven't I? But I'm looking forward to building in this case. Now, one thing that's very important when building a PC case is measurements. So I've got tape measure here, so I'm going to measure this case. So one important thing with this case is, will it fit a graphics card? So tape measure, so let's measure from the back wall up to the fans. We'll call it 30.5 centimeters or 12 inches, but that is like really touching the fans on the front of the case. The depth of the case, so from the back wall to the front of the basement, as I call it, is 16 centimeters or 6.25 inches. The height of the case, so right from the top of the case down to the basement, is 32.8 centimeters or just under 13 inches. As I mentioned earlier on, it's got space for 220 more fans on the top of the case, which is really good. What else do we need to measure? Another thing we need to measure is the back of the case. So when you take your back panel off, it's very important to have quite a bit of space for all your cable management, isn't it? So measuring this, so from the back to the bit where the back panel slides onto, it is 2.3 centimeters, or if you're doing it in old metrics, 7/8 of an inch, if that's a thing. I'm a centimeters, millimeters guy myself. So it's, the big mark just below number 1 anyway, I'm pretty sure that's 7/8 of an inch, or can you guess 1/16 of an inch? I don't know. So there we go. It's a very nice case, really good price, and tell you what, you get front RGB, you get 3 pre-installed black fans, and a rear RGB fan as well, for like under £32. That's like just a bargain. If you'd like to buy this case, then hit the video description below. You can buy it from eBuy.com. Have a look on eBay, Amazon as well. I'm sure you'll be able to buy it there. So this is going to be part of a PC build, so don't forget to hit that bell icon for part 2 of this video. We're going to be putting a Ryzen build in here. Yes, a Ryzen build. Who'd have thought it, huh? This is going to be a Christmas present for a very special little boy. His name's Kylan, but don't go telling him, okay, because it's still a few weeks away till Christmas, so shh, don't go telling him. So if you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up. If not, then give us a thumbs down button twice. Thank you very much. If you haven't done so already, then please hit that subscribe button down below as well. So I have been Ixis. This has been the first player Rainbow R6-A RGB mid-tower gaming case. Don't forget to tune in next time where we'll be building in this case. Thank you very much for watching once again. I'll catch you again on the next one. Bye bye.